Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove Apple ID without password in any iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to remove your Apple ID from your iPhone without using your password, so let's see how can you fix that. So you just have to open your settings app here. So if you forgot your password, so you have a simple way to recover that. So for now to do that, you just have to open or tab on your Apple ID from here, then select sign in and security, and then select change password, and after that you just have to verify yourself using your face ID or your iPhone passcode, and then you have to tap on start security delay if you find this, and after doing that you'll be able to change your password. So once you have changed your password, you can easily use that to sign out from your Apple ID, simply tapping on the sign out option. So simply tap on sign out, and then you can easily select which one option you want to, and once you have done, your Apple ID will be successfully removed. Or there's a second way, you just have to go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings, and from here you just have to tap on continue option. It will erase everything from your iPhone, including your Apple ID, your photos, videos, and all of your settings, your apps, and all of your accounts. So you must have to create your backup first, and then you can easily try this. So after that, your Apple ID will be successfully removed from your iPhone without using any password. So there are some possible ways to remove Apple ID without password from your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.